I don't know what happened to me. I was in the garden with Simon, and he was being awfully sweet, and then he suddenly kissed me and rushed into the house and said we were engaged,
Huh,
and that hateful Judith asked me to make him happy.
that's exactly what happened to me and Sorrel. Judith gave us to one another before we knew where we were.
Frightful.
I like Sorrel, though. She was jolly decent about it afterwards.
I think she's a cat.
Why?
Look at the way she lost her temper over that beastly game.
Oh, all the same, she's better than the others.
That wouldn't be very difficult.
Yeah, yeah.
I beg your pardon.
I say I've got the hiccups.
Hold your breath.
It was because I bolted my breakfast.
Hold it as long as you can.
I can't anymore.
Eat a lump of sugar.
Uh, I'm awfully sorry.
I don't mind, but it's a horrid feeling, isn't it?
Horrid! Yeah,
People have died from hiccups, you know.
have they?
Yes. An aunt of mine once had them for 3 days without stopping.
How beastly!
She had to have the doctor and everything.
I expect mine will stop soon.
I hope they will.
Don't put your daughter on the stage, Mrs. Worthington. Don't put your daughter on the stage. Though they said at the School of Acting she was lovely as Peer Gynt, I'm afraid on the whole an ingenue role might emphasize her squint. She has nice hands to give the wretched girl her due, but don't you think her bust is too developed for her age? No more buts, Mrs. Worthington. Nuts, Mrs. Worthington. Don't put your daughter on the stage.